Good morning guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade V50 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone gallery. Then select the contact that you want to personalize, click on edit icon and mark add picture. Now select a camera or gallery, whichever album you want to select your photo from. You can also set some illustration photo or something from your Google Photos. I want to pick something from my gallery. Let's zoom it however you like. You can also rotate it if you want. And once it is customized, mark choose. Then click on save. And that is all. As you can see, the picture has been assigned to this contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.